The rush to get to work each morning gets ever slower. There's an increasing number of cars on Welsh roads. There are now 26 million vehicles in the United Kingdom, and the number of cars alone will rise by up to a third by the year 2010. It's the same story throughout Wales. It's 9:10 now in the morning in Carmarthen. We've been here an hour or so. We've seen absolutely no bicycles, and virtually every car has just one person in it. Nobody seems to be carrying any passengers.
I don't think I could go by bike, no. And public transport's out of the question because I teach in children's homes and they're spread throughout sort of, 20-mile area.
Right, so you've got bikes in the back. Is there another way you could go to work instead of using the car?
Well, not really, because I'm coming from Swansea, so I couldn't cycle from Swansea. I'm not getting up that early.
If the road to the future has to rest with a car, maybe it'll be a car with a difference, like the Mouse, designed in Llandeilo. It holds the world record for the most miles per gallon, and this afternoon a special experiment with what could be the fuel of the future.
What we've decided to do today is to put a small quantity of biodiesel, which is derived from rapeseed oil, obviously much cleaner to the atmosphere, and see how the engine runs. So shall we give it a go?
It's only a one-seater, but it seems that would suit most Welsh commuters. And there's even room for your shopping in the back.